guys, welcome back to another video. Wow, check out this view. This is the Westside JDM meet in the Eureka Tower car park. Now that's a little bit different and it's freaking awesome. Let's check it out. Mr. V8 eater. Oh.
Hello.
Even though, where's your car, man? How come you're never with your car? What's going on here?
I'm waiting for Nob to put the turbo engine in and it's being bloody slow.
Come on, doesn't matter if it's slow. It can be a show pony, you know?
And Michael's giving me shit today about it.
Oh my god. So when are you getting your license back is the question.
On Monday. Finally.
Oh my god.
This is like
Look at this guy. Look at this sexy bloke. Mate, that's a nice beard you got there.
Thanks, man.
Bloody hell, man. Oh, thank you very much. There's always this guy too.
How's it going?
Mate, what's going on, buddy? Where's your car at?
It's broken, as always.
I heard you blew up the engine.
No, gearbox.
The gearbox?
Snap the import shaft.
Ah, shit, okay.
Yeah.
It's not too bad then, it's not too bad.
Still cost me like 3k to fix it.
Mate, that's pricey.
No good.
And then there's this guy, which also has a broken down car. What's going on, mate?
Where's your car?
Useless drivers.
Bloody hell, man.
Melburnians, you are a bunch of useless cunts.
Ah, Michael Flinsberg from Bendigo.
all the way from Bendigo.
Mate.
We got the best seat in the house. It feels like my supercar. It looks like my
It looks
supercar,
nice and
just
warm
like
in there.
that.
It's not so warm outside here.
Very nice it is.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Flynn, are you did you see any pretty ladies here, mate? Any Sheilas, mate? Any Shezes?
No, not really.
I'm sure if I were on the corner.
I'm sure you file, yeah. Downstairs on the street in the corner, there's plenty, bro. Plenty, alright? Jesse, bro, what's going on, dude?
What's happening, bro?
It's another Westside JDM meet, eh?
Yes, it's a good turnout.
Mate.
You guys for coming out, appreciate it. We've got the hoodies made up now. Happening. We've got some custom hats, custom merch, everything.
Fancy, mate.
Yeah, it's good
Mate, this meet is insane. The location is epic. Epic.
Full Tokyo drift spec.
Oh, fuck it. No, what are these guys doing again in my car? Hey?
We are freezing going to tear this thing in half, mate. Kebabs.
Mr. Ryan?
Oh,
We haven't seen you in a little while, eh,
my
Chief?
car running for once, so I don't even know.
Mate, it's always off the road. I don't know what you're doing, mate. What are you detailing it this time, or?
Mate, have you seen it? It's like full of dust.
Wait, show me. Where is it, man?
Oh, it's just
All the way
down
to
there.
back? I see you got a passenger today, mate.
That's
A
it.
passenger. Let's have a look,
He's
man.
really tired.
Oh, mate. Has he got the seatbelt on, mate?
Oh, I think I need to put it on. I slammed the brakes before and it.
Gotta keep it safe, yeah? watching the video, man?
I know.
Did you get some good photos, bro?
Yeah. Oh, no.
It's a nice camera,
I'm
bro.
Quidditch.
It would be a shame
Quidditch.
if it went missing.
Quidditch.
Kiara, hello. And you're Alex's sister.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to the car scene. Look who we have here. Mickey Mickles.
GTA, what's going on,
What's
Nebs?
going on, buddy? Mate, where's your Supra at?
No Super today, we're falconing.
How come every time I see you, your Supra's missing somehow, man? It's always missing, man.
It's always good.
Well, at least you've got your turbo car here, man. Look at this beast, man. Look at this beast. Now we're talking about a nice big Ford with a turbo. 370 kilowatts, is it? Stock.
On the dot.
Out of the box, 370. That's what you call a monster, man.
Strong enough though. I'd rather swap it for a 620 kilowatt Supra.
I'll tell you what, you never know, mate. You never know, because...
Deal. Come on. Go on, we've done it. Take the Sprint home with me. It's taking the Supra.
Oh, mate, that's all right. It's on video now, so you
on
got to do
video.
it. That's it. It's done. It's a done deal. Is your man going to let you drive the Supra or what, dude?
Hopefully.
Yeah?
Hopefully you're ready.
You just got to, you know, like when he goes out, you know, just take the keys and get the hell out of there, man.
No way put the keys, so yeah.
That's good man, good man. We won't tell him nothing.
Yeah.
Give it a wow, wow, wow.
Bet you didn't have electric top in 1963, did you?
You didn't either. What is electric? Come on, mate, show us.
You ready for it?
Go for it, mate. Oh, fancy.
Fancy, fancy.
Fancy, fancy, mate. Wow.
Get the piping out. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? They're gonna go there for dump cuts.
Huge monster. Huge, hurry up and pay, bro. We're gonna miss out the kebabs.
Massive.